In this video, I'll show you step by step how to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest and make money without a blog, without ads, and without even showing your face. You are about to see how I turned simple pins into passive income with Amazon using nothing but free tools and copy paste strategies. No website, no followers, just smart pin design, the right product, and little Pinterest SEO. I'll show you exactly how I post, how I drive traffic, and how beginners are using this method to earn 50, 100, even $300 a day just from people clicking their pins. This strategy is quietly blowing up, and in this video, I'm giving you everything that will help you to make commissions with Amazon affiliate marketing using free traffic. Make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this. I have been doing this business for over 5 years and I'm making over $30,000 per month with affiliate marketing. I do Amazon affiliate marketing and Fiverr affiliate marketing. In this video, I'll share with you my method with Amazon affiliate marketing using Pinterest. And I made this commission, guys, in just 1 month. As you can see, I made $11,583 in the month of July. Okay, this is my commission, this is Samurai, and this is Bounties over here. Okay, anyway, for people who want to start promoting Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. Okay, so what you will do, it's super easy. Just go to Google and search for Amazon Associate. Click on the first link over here like this and you will be in this page. Click on sign up like this and click again on create your Amazon account, and here you go. The sign up process to Amazon affiliate marketing is super easy and simple. Of course, it's for free. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. Okay, just put your first name, last name, first name and last name, email address, your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. You just need to follow a few steps and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associate or Amazon Affiliate. You should see here your Samurai, commissions, and bounties over here. Okay, what you need to do next is you need to choose a good product that you will start promoting on Pinterest. Okay, I'll share with you guys one of my profitable product that I'm promoting always on Pinterest. So what we need to do next is we need to go and open Pinterest. So go and open your Pinterest account like this. If you don't have Pinterest, go to Google and search for Pinterest like this. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. They will ask you, do you want to create business account or personal account? Make sure to choose business account. Okay, it's better to use business account. So once you finish, this will be your home page and you should have that. You should know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors, meaning that you can get so much traffic from Pinterest for free. Of course, if you are doing it correctly, if you are promoting good product that people will be interested to buy, and if you are doing good SEO for your pins to rank good on Pinterest search and more. Okay, 1 billion monthly visitors, that's already a lot of traffic. You should know that also Pinterest is search engine platform. It's like Google and YouTube, so people are using Pinterest to search for products, services, and more. Okay, so what you will do next, you will click here on home feed and click on create pin. Okay, so we will create a pin to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. So what we need to do first, we need to choose good product. So what we will do, we will go to Amazon. Go and open your Amazon.com website like this, and I'll share with you guys one of my profitable niches that I'm promoting. And this niche is really a profitable niche that you can start with as a beginner. Okay, and it's beauty and skin care niches. Okay, so click on the search for beauty. Okay, like this. Those products are getting crazy sales on Amazon and people are paying crazy. They are paying a lot of money every single day for those products on Amazon. Let me show you the proof. I'm not just talking. Let me show you. Okay, if I scroll down, you can see here we have a lot of beauty and skincare products. You can see, look at this one for example. You see this one? Over 100k people paid for this one in the past month. Look, that crazy sales, guys. Those products are getting crazy sales on Amazon. Look at this one. 30k people paid for this products in the past month. Look at this one also. Over 100k people paid for this product in the past month, meaning that it's working. People are paying money for those products. Okay, skincare and beauty are the best profitable niches that you can start with as a beginner if you want to start Amazon affiliate marketing. Look at this one here, 60k. Look at this one, over 100k, 1k, 2k. Always, guys, choose product that's got at least over between 2 and 5,000 sales in the past month. Those products will be good products for you, meaning that people are paying for this product. They are already working, so you just need to do good marketing for those products to get sales. Okay, look at this one here, 60k. That's crazy, guys. Okay, so you see here, it's working, it's already working. So for example, let me choose one of those products. Let's choose one, for example, let's choose this one. Okay, I will choose this one, guys. So just click on the product that you want to use, that you want to promote on Pinterest, and you will be directly in this Amazon product page. So what we need to do next is we need a video that we will use to promote this product on Pinterest. Okay, so pay close attention. Copy the name of this product. Okay, and pay close attention and go to TikTok. Okay, we will find a lot of videos here on TikTok that we can use. Okay, and I'll show you how we can use those videos following the rules, and so you can be safe and without getting banned on Pinterest. Open your TikTok account, click on the search. Okay, I will delete this and I will put the name of this product here and I will search. I'm sure I will find videos about this product. Here you go. Do you see this? We have this product. Do you see? It's the same products. People already making videos about those products on Amazon. Here is another one. If I scroll more, here is another one here. Here is another one. So you have the idea. Okay, it's the same products. Okay, this one, what's the name? Dance, I think. Okay, so this is the products on TikTok. We find the products, it's here. So I will choose this video, for example, this one. Okay, so what I will do, I will stop this video first. I will copy the link of this video like this, and I will go back to Google and I will search for download TikTok videos. Search for this keyword, click on the first link and put the link of this TikTok video here. Click on download like this. Scroll down, click over here on download again, and the video will be downloaded into your laptop. You will go back to Pinterest, and what you will do, you will click over here and upload the video. This is the video.
I don't recommend the viral collagen bio.
It's really good. Click on open, and here you go. So what we need to do to choose to use this video fine, we need to give credit to this creator. So always give credit to this creator in your description. Okay, it's very important. So what we need to do next is we need to create a good title, good description, and put our Amazon affiliate link here. So let's start with the title. What we will do, guys, we will go back to this Amazon product page and we will copy this title, just this one, and we will use AI. We will use ChatGPT. Okay, go to your ChatGPT account and click here and ask him, okay, turn this Amazon product title into a Pinterest, okay, Pinterest pin title and use good SEO. Okay, and they will put the title of this product. Click over here. You should start using AI. You should start using ChatGPT. It's very, very important. I will copy the title, go back to Pinterest and put this title here. Description, go back to ChatGPT. Go back to ChatGPT and ask him, create a pin description too, and mention the credit of this TikTok creator. I will go back to TikTok and I will copy the name of this creator so I can give credit to this creator and put the name of this creator here. Okay, and here you go. ChatGPT will create a good description for your pin, guys. Pin description. Here you go. Credit TikTok creator. This is the name of creator. This is very important. If you are not doing this, your account can get banned and suspended. Also, the creator can give you can get copyright issue and so much. You can get a lot of problems if you are giving credit to creators that you are using their videos. You are fine. Go back to Pinterest, put this description here. So I hope it's clear. You need to put your affiliate link here. So go back to this Amazon product page. To get your affiliate link, guys, you just need to click on get link, and here you go. This is your Amazon affiliate link. Copy this link and put this link here. Click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. You need tags. So how you can find tags? You can go back to ChatGPT and ask him to give you tags. Give me tags, and that's it. You will give you tags about this pin. Okay, you see this? Copy those tags, guys. Go back to Pinterest and put all those tags here. So once you finish, we have a video, we have good title, good using good SEO with AI, we have description, credit to creator, and that's it. Okay, so what we will do, we will click on publish. That's exactly, and that's the safe and the smart way to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. That's how we can promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest as a beginner. And here you go, guys. So always, guys, choose try different videos. You have a lot of videos that you can try. Don't use just one video. If you want to promote, for example, this product, if you want to test this product and see if it's working, you should use at least 5 videos. Okay, and you have a lot of videos here on Amazon. You are using free traffic. You are not paying any money. So just promote at least up to 5 videos for each product. See which video is getting views, getting impression, getting clicks. Double what's working, avoid what's not working. That's how we can scale your affiliate marketing business with Amazon and scale it to between $5,000 and $10,000 per month. Okay, yes, it's not easy, but it's simple. If you are doing this method, if you keep improving, you can also use YouTube Shorts. I will talk with this. I will make a video about this later in my YouTube channel. Just make sure to subscribe if you want to see more methods, more strategies about how we can promote Amazon affiliate links using free traffic. And that's it. If you want also, guys, to get my course, feel free to reach out to me in my email address, and I will send you more details and more info about the course, about our coaching services, and so much more. Okay, that will help you to earn your commissions fast with our coaching. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next videos.